Hey guys, it's Savy, and today I'm going to be trying the SeneGence cleanser and daytime face moisturizer. And also, while I'm at it, I'm going to try Vile by Perfectly Posh. This is a long-lasting lip color, and I want to see how resilient it is. And then I also figured I would just try this. So, let's start with the cleanser. Of course, I have to put my hair up first. Okay, it's going to be a messy bun today. Deal with it. Okay, so first I'm going to use the cleanser, and of course these are all trial packets, so these aren't the actual packets that they come in, but my friend Julie sent them to me so I could try them, and I'm super excited. So I have a sink right over here, so if I'm like out of the shot, that's probably why. So, ooh, this cleanser is more liquid than I thought it would be. Okay. Oh, it smells really nice. It's a lot thicker than I thought it would be going on, but I'm hoping that when I wash it off, it's not going to have that kind of heavy, sticky feel, because I really don't like when cleansers do that, but we'll see. Okay. Hey, thankfully, now that it's off, it feels pretty cool. It doesn't feel sticky at all, so that's good. Actually, it feels really nice. Can anybody see? Whew. I don't know. This might just be, placebo effect, but I already feel like it looks a little bit brighter. I don't know, I'll probably rewatch this video and be like, it's not brighter at all. But now I'm going to be using the daytime moisturizer. I'm going to use the nighttime tonight, but for this video, I'm going to be using the daytime. And again, I'm really hoping that this one doesn't leave a heavy, sticky feel, because I hate that about most moisturizers and lotions. So I'm really hoping that SeneGence doesn't let me down with that. Also, they have a lot in these little packets. Like, they look really small, but there's a lot of product in there. I can probably use it for like 2 or 3 more times. And that's pretty cool, especially because it's a free sample. This one smells really good too. Smells a little bit flowery and maybe a little bit fruity. And you can definitely feel that it's on your skin, but it's not sticky at all, so that's good. I do wish that it was a little bit thinner, but I'm liking the way that it feels right now. And I do have pretty sensitive skin, so we're going to see in about 2 minutes how my skin's going to handle this stuff. If I start breaking out, yeah, that might happen. But I'm hoping that it doesn't. Now it's time for Vile. And any of you guys know me, I love LipSense, and that's my go-to lipstick. It doesn't smudge or anything. So I'm a little bit wary about using this just because I'm very faithful to LipSense. But I've heard that this might be good for if you want to just use it for a few hours, something like that. And so there's a primer, and then there's 2 different colors. Love the Wine You're With and Stop Blushing. I'm going to use Stop Blushing because I'm not really one for really dark colors unless it's LipSense. So, and it's kind of difficult to open these. But again, this is just the free tester, so this isn't anything wrong with the product yet. So here we go. I've got my little lip brush here. And this primer is clear. As you can see, there's like, it looks like nothing. So. And I've never used a lip primer before, so not exactly sure what I'm doing. But I have to say, it feels very soft going on. Yeah, and it's completely clear. So, yeah. And I don't know if I have to leave this on for a little bit. Let's see. Let sit for several seconds until tacky. Okay. While I'm waiting, I'm going to open this one. Oh, you can see there's some product in there. I'm not liking the way it looks just right off the bat because it looks very sticky and not very, what's the word? You know, the same throughout. It looks like it's very patchy, but again, that's in the tester. So I don't know. Okay. I think that's tacky. Time to get this lip color on there. Well, okay. You can definitely feel it on your lip, and it's not as consistent as LipSense. It's a very pretty color. Sorry, I'm looking into a mirror right now. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see that? It looks really orange on this camera, but it's actually a really nice pink color. If it helps for reference, my nails are really bright red and they look kind of orange, so yeah. It feels a little bit sticky, which, as you can probably tell, is not something that I like. But we'll see. I really should have read the back before I did this. Okay. Press lips together to apply excess to the top. Let sit for several seconds, and then press onto a clean tissue to remove any excess and prevent transfer. Fancy. Okay. 1 second while I get a quick tissue. Okay. Here it is. White tissue. And I feel like I'm doing a LipSense test again. Wow. Okay. So there is obviously some that came off. It's quite less than I was expecting. But the color does look looks very matte. I don't know if Perfectly Posh has lip glosses that you can use. I don't know, but it definitely looks very matte. There's not really any shine or shimmer to it, which is something that I like in a product, so I'm a little bit disappointed. But I think the color is really pretty. I'm going to be doing some tests to see if it smudges or not. Sorry, the hair tie was bothering me. So my hair is now free. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm licking it, and it's still pretty much on. Ooh. So, when you try to rub your lips together, it's like sticky. It's not sticky when you just like, but when you try to rub them together, there's a lot of friction. I don't know what that's about, but I don't really think I like it. Again, I love the color. I don't know. Okay. So obviously it's not LipSense. You rub it and it comes off. But I rubbed a bunch off and the lips are still the same color. So I'm not sure if it maybe stains the lip underneath. Yeah, a lot is coming off, but the color is still here. So it might be a little bit messy. It definitely stays on. Yeah, it stays on, but it's not as consistent or nice feeling as LipSense is. And I'm going to do a LipSense tutorial on my YouTube channel because it's something that I am really passionate about right now. And I'm thinking about becoming a distributor when I'm older. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my little test. I'll let you know how this lips color stays. I'm just about to eat, so we'll see. But yeah, overall I like the color. I wish it was more consistent and that it didn't just rub off and everything. But all in all, I think I would give it a 6 out of 10, where LipSense is the golden standard, obviously. But yeah, thank you, Julie, for sending me all of the samples. And I loved the SeneGence stuff. Like, my face hasn't broken out at all. And that is so rare, especially with my skin type and how, like, sensitive it is. So, yeah, I think this is safe for me to use. And I'm super excited. I might have to order some. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.